Here's the answer to number 1 on page 81. The Smith family drinks 1 4/5 liters of apple juice each day. The apple juice is packed in 2-liter bottles. How many bottles does Mrs. Smith need to buy every week? All right, so first of all, 1 week equals 7 days. So if the family drinks 1 4/5 liters of apple juice each day, I'm going to multiply 1 4/5 times the 7 days of the week, and that's going to tell me how many liters of juice they drink in a week. So I have a mixed number here. I have to turn that into an improper fraction. 1 times 5 is 5, plus 4 is 9. So 1 4/5 is the same thing as saying 9/5 times 7. And I'm going to put 7 over 1. Can I cross simplify anywhere? No, I can't, so I'm going to multiply straight across. 9 times 7 is 63. 5 times 1 is 5. So they drink 63/5 of liters of apple juice each week. So I'm going to turn that into a mixed number. So I'm going to put the 63 in the division hut. How many 5s are in 6? 1. Subtract that 5. Bring down the 3. How many 5s are in 13? There are 2. So the answer is they drink 12 3/5 liters of apple juice each week. I had to clear the board so I had room to work. So again, they drank 12 3/5 liters of apple juice each week. So now we have to figure out, well, how many bottles does Mrs. Smith need to buy? Well, all the juice is packed into 2-liter bottles. So let's just picture a 2-liter bottle here. How many of these, those are ugly, how many of these bottles would she need to purchase? Okay, so there's 12 3/5 liters of apple juice divided by bottles that have 2 liters each in it. So let's solve this problem. All right, well, I have a division sign here. I'm going to be dividing fraction here, so I'm going to have to use a reciprocal in a moment. But first, let's change this mixed number back into an improper fraction. 12 times 5 is 60, plus 3 is 63. So I have 63/5 divided by 2. But I can't leave it like that. So to turn this into a multiplication problem, I'm going to have 63/5, and I'm going to multiply, and I have to do the reciprocal, by 1/2. 63 times 1 is 63. 5 times 2 is 10. So how many 2-liter bottles is she going to need? 63/10. Well, that doesn't make sense. I got to turn that back into a mixed number. So put the 63 in the little division hut. How many 10s are in 63? There are 6. 6 times 10 is 60. And 3/10. So she needs 6 whole bottles and 3/10 of another to purchase each week. Well, you can't buy 3/10 of a bottle, so Mrs. Smith's going to need to buy 7 bottles of apple juice.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.